Alright, hello there you guys, your girl EuniyceMari is here, and we're going to be doing something a little bit fun, a little bit different. If you caught my live earlier today, I did say that I am rearranging like my beauty area in my little studio closet. So we're gonna jump right into this because your girl is still trying to organize her life in a way, even though I've been in my spot for like over 6 months now. But anyways, so okay, so I have this little stand here. Don't mind all the craziness. I'm just gonna snapshot you guys what's going on. I believe I did show this to you guys in a previous video. I did show you guys like how it had a lot of my body butters, which was sitting here. And then I have like more of my fragrances and perfumes here and things of that sort. And then I have some of my skincare tools up here, and then up here I did put like my Essia, my Exfoliating, and then my little brush here. So I'm just trying to become a lot more organized with my skincare, and my skincare is growing so much. Like I stated in that video, like you guys, my skincare, between me getting products from companies and just buying things that I want to try, my skincare has grown. So I'm gonna show you this little corner in which we are going to organize things in. I already started to lay it out a little bit. It is a little messy, so don't mind it. And I'm also gonna get my ring light in here so you guys can actually see. But just to get a quick snapshot of what is going on, this little nook here has all my makeup here. So it has all my makeup that I actually need to go through and kind of organize it and make it look a little bit better. This is my jewelry box that has all my little jewelry in it. I have all my eyeshadow palettes over here, which I have to organize and kind of just get together. But down here I have all of my skincare. So I have everything from my EuniyceCosmetics body butters, the Conjured Hoodoo. I have Dawkins Aroma Co. I have some K1 Care, Shea Moisture, Dickinson's. I have some face mask back there, water, skin water, which I have to review and get up. I have some Tree Hut Shea Moisture body scrubs, more facial things by Derma E, Dr. Zenobia, some Derma E hair care products. So I'm just trying to figure out how I can organize all this, and I'm going to actually be using a few of the like they have these little counter organizers that I'm going to put down here, but I'm going to show you guys everything in a minute as we get going. I just wanted to give you guys like a little bit of a snapshot of what I am working with. I'm not going to show you guys this side of my closet because it's a mess, okay? This is pretty much where all my clothes and stuff go, and purses and stuff, but this is like the beauty side, okay? So we just gonna stay on this side. All right, so I'm gonna set up my tripod and everything, and we're going to start to get this organization going. All right, you guys, so I think I just blew my ring light out. It's not turning on at all, and it's so funny because I've been talking about how I've been needing to get a new one, and yeah, I think she's done. It looks like your girl's gonna be on Amazon tonight looking for a new ring light. But that ain't gonna stop this video, okay? Y'all just gonna have to deal with it. These are the shelves. I got one shelf. Well, I actually got this one's by Ultrasonic. And I got one shelf is a 3-tier. This is a 3-tier, and then the other one is a 2-tier shelf. And the idea with these shelves is to just be able to, if you guys remember the closet shelf is pretty high, like there's a lot of space. And so the idea with these is to being able to use that height, like stack things on top and to use it that way. So that's why I wanted to use the shelving. So this is a 2-shelf tier. I thought they were a little bit bigger, but it's okay because if I have space and I want to add more, then I can. So I wanted to try out the Organics body wash because everybody talks about it, and so I got my hand on a few of them. This is the Organic Soothing Coconut Coffee Body Wash Scrub. I can't wait to try this. I've heard so many great things about it. Let's see what it smells like because there's a lot of hype behind this. Smells good. Let me see. It smells good. It's kind of buttery. Can you take this part off? Yeah. Okay. I can see it's kind of buttery smelling. So I'm curious to see what it's like in like full shower mode. So I got some of the body moisturizing body wash, and this one is in Brazilian nut, because you guys know I'm like vanillas and stuff. Like, I'm not a super sugary fruity girl, so I decided just to get the one in Brazilian nut. And let me give it a try. This one's hard to smell. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this one. But if you're talking about Brazilian nut, then it smells like a Brazilian nut, okay? I want to try them more in shower to see what they're like going on. 2 more. This is the last one in this box, but the next one is supposed to come tomorrow, and it is the coconut oil one. This here. Now, this one I'm actually really looking forward to, because this one is the one that people swear by. They love the way that it smells. It smells like, what is it? Like cookies or something like that. Silicone free, hydrating, shea and soft, smooth coconut butter, agave, and coconut oil. Now, this one I've heard so much about. People swear by this. So let me see. Okay. Now, the thing that I will say that I like about organics so far, out of the 2 that I have smelled, they're not overpowering scents, which I like. They're really soft, and I like that. So I really am going to see what these smell like in shower, of course, and then I'll talk all about them in another video. Camera is about to die, so I'm going to let my camera charge while I put together these shelves and kind of chill and stuff. And then once it charges, and I'm gonna figure out this ring light situation, because I didn't know it was gonna die on midnight. So I'm gonna go ahead and let all that charge and do what it do, and then I'll come back and we will get to it. Okay, you guys, so I got my ring light to work. I don't know, we're not gonna speak it or put it out there, but I need to get a new one. So I put together these shelves. I will say that I thought they were gonna be a little bit bigger than this. I didn't think that they were gonna be this small, but it's fine. I'll try to work with them. So I have a 2-tier here, and then I also have a 3-tier here. I'm mainly thinking about using this for skincare products, like facial skincare products. I don't know if I will be able to stick any of my body care products on here. Maybe this one here. Another cool thing is that these do come where you can stack them all on another, which is good to know, because I can get more use out of it. But they're not going to fit stacked in this corner, so we're definitely just going to use them separately. So I'm just going to go ahead and kind of move some things out the way. So pretty much I have all of my skincare products out of the way. I am then going to place this 3-tier here. Face mask. I use face mask more than any of these products here, and I want to make them to where I can see them and grab them. Liking how that looks. I was a bit concerned on if it was going to be like not enough space, but actually that turns out to look very well. So pretty much on top I have Dr. Zenovia, Derma E products. There's like a mix here. It's just that it's by brand. And then I have face mask here, pretty much like a few moisturizers, face mask, a face mask that I need to try in the back, and then I have my Dickinson wipes, vitamin C, and then I have some face masks just out here in the front because I don't want to lay this down. I want to be able to see what it is so I can just grab it. And that Shea Moisture does not fit into these little pockets here. So I'm going to have to figure out how to do that. But just trying to get some type of organization going with my skincare because it's only growing and it needs to happen. So we're going to leave that as is for now. But I do like the way that it does look. Alright, so I have all my oils here. So I'm going to push these over. Or I'm actually going to have to take them. Something has to come out. I'm going to take out my lotions. As y'all can see, I have quite the array. I have so many Shea Moisture lotions that I need to depot. If you guys know anything about Shea Moisture lotions, those bottles are so hard to like get the rest of the lotion out of. It's ridiculous. So, KY Care. I have a lot of KY Care. I'm trying to make up my mind. I think I want to do body oils on bottom and put more body butters on top. Alright, so now that I have all my body oils here, what am I going to put on top? So I'm thinking that I'm going to go ahead and put body butters on top. This over to this side. And this is where my body butters and my butters are going to sit. I have these little ones, so I'm just going to plop those right on top. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my lotions back here. Let's see. Skin Water, I need to review it. Just going to place that here. I just need to put it out so I see it to know to review it. Body scrubs. Okay, so I have body scrubs too that I'm trying to also like figure out what I want to do with them. So I have some Tree Hut body scrubs and I'm just going to stack them in front right now because I'm just going to see how it goes with this setup. I mean, I may end up having to do something a little bit different. Also have some hair products by Derma E that I also want to review and get through. And I'm just going to go ahead and sit them right on top of this because it also reminds me that I need to review them. That is my organization so far for my skincare and my beauty care. Just trying to get this corner looking like something, and I am so look at how it looks. I am so happy. Next I have my perfumes that I kind of want to figure out how to get together. I may end up putting my perfumes more in that corner along with my makeup. I'm going to figure that all out, and when I do get there I will share that with you guys. But that is how I organize my body care for now. Some things may change up, but I like the way that it looks with the shelves. It looks so much more put together and I am excited. So with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.